Here's a quick demo of our new training module within Insight7. As a supervisor or team leader, I can come in to the training section and hit new training. I can enter the name for my training. So new product certification. I can select if it's a chat-based or a voice-based training. I can select the level of difficulty. I can select the criteria to use to evaluate the training eventually. I can also select the people that I want to take the training. I can select, the persona for engaging. This is typically pre-programmed for conducting the training. And then I can add a knowledge base to say, hey, here's what to focus the training around. Here's the knowledge base to use. I just selected a file that captures the scope of conversational intelligence platform requirements. So I'm going to test my people on how much they know about that area. And then once I do that, I preview and then I just create. And once it's created, all the agents that I set up would immediately have the training created on their profile. So you can see here, Jamil, it was one of those I selected. Adam can see. And so this is what they see when they log in. So I'm going to use Adam's account to take this training right now. And then I'll just kick it off. And once I started, hi, John. And so in this case, it simulates that we're trying to resolve an issue using the knowledge base that I created. Tell me more. Okay, so I'm chatting here. I'm just, simulating a scenario here. And so I think the feedback here can be programmed to any kind of content on knowledge base. And this is just for demo purposes. And so I'm going to complete this right now. And once I hit complete, the system is also going to kick off an evaluation process where you're evaluating the content of my conversation, whether it's chat or voice, and it's going to give me a score that can then be used to certify me as having passed a training or not. All right, my evaluation is back. I scored 54%, and it shows how I performed. It really highlights that I was not able to, handle the solutioning part of the conversation very well, showing that I lacked knowledge. Also generates some coaching tips for me. And from here, we could generate like a certification or take further actions at this point based on the performance on that conversation. So this shows the end-to-end workflow for simulating training. This shows the end-to-end flow for generating trainings and simulating specific scenarios and testing people on their knowledge, on their ability to perform certain conversations, whether chat or audio. Thanks.